Good morning everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Welcome back in our EVS class. Today we will discuss about the steps needed to control air pollution.
By taking some simple steps, we can control air pollution. Like for short distances, use a bicycle or go by walking. If we will use bicycle, we can help to reduce air pollution. Use public transport more as it can cut down the number of vehicles on the road. Now see this picture carefully. If people will choose to go by public transport, there will be less traffic on the roads and this will reduce air pollution. And another way to reduce air pollution is we should switch off the fan, lights and television when not in use. Okay? In this way, we can reduce air pollution and save electricity bill also. And the next method to reduce air pollution is we should plant more trees because plants release oxygen which will make the air fresh. So to reduce air pollution we should plant more trees, right? Next method to control air pollution is we should reuse old things like plastic bottles. We can grow plants in plastic bottles. अगर हम प्लास्टिक बॉटल्स को जला देते हैं तो उससे बहुत सारा एयर पोल्यूशन होता है. दैट इज़ वेरी हार्मफुल फॉर अस. सो वी शुड नॉट बर्न प्लास्टिक बॉटल्स. वी कैन रीयूज देम बाय ग्रोइंग प्लांट्स. In the same way, we can reuse old clothes for making shopping bags. Okay? And next, we should not burn wood. This causes air pollution. Okay? Burning wood causes air pollution. Students, here are some clues that will help you to reuse old things like newspaper and water bottles. So enjoy by making some craft with old things and discuss this topic with your parents. Take care. Bye-bye.